right here is what's called load and carry. There's no haul trucks. The loader does all the work. So they set up a feeder in the pit close to the face. The loader then goes to the face, grabs a bucket, carries it back, dumps it into that feeder. That feeder, it serves two purposes. One, it knocks out the bigger rocks that they don't want into the plant that might jam things up. With those grizzly bars, the operator runs those grizzly bars that tilt up and down to get rid of those rocks. The second thing it does is it maintains a constant flow of material into the plant to keep this thing running like a Swiss watch. So that's what's going on here. No trucks, one machine feeding this entire plant.